If we look closely, where does nature begin to unfold? Beneath the earth, way down where roots dive deep. Life gathers in the soil, in the air, in places shaped by rain, sun, and wind. Hands return to the earth again and again, learning nature's rhythms. What is planted is watched. What grows is tended. Cycles of growth and decay, land as our teacher. What was once scattered begins to come together, gathered into a handful of meaning. What is gathered is carried forward. It is weighed and cleaned, sorted and dried, broken down, pressed, tested, and refined, carefully shaped by place and attention. Much of what is shaped is never seen. It moves quietly across places, plates, and palettes. And then it moves again into kitchens and homes, into food and fragrance, into hands that cook, blend, pour, taste, and balance. Because when nature is understood and carried forward with care, it moves into everybody's life naturally.